Good morning, sir. Here is my event proposal, the golden wedding anniversary of David and Josie. Love that stand the test of time. Event overview, a heartwarming and elegant celebration to mark the 50th wedding anniversary of David and Josie. This milestone event will honor their enduring love, commitment, and the legacy they built over 5 decades. The gathering includes a bow renewal ceremony, heartfelt tributes, a festive lunch, entertainment, and share moments with loved ones. Objective goals, main objectives to celebrate the golden wedding anniversary of David and Josie. Second, to honor their love story and lifelong commitment. Organizer goals to create an atmosphere of gratitude, love, and celebration among family and friends. Target audience, immediate and extended family, close friends. Second, former colleagues and community member. Third, estimated attendees 100 guests. Date and time, September 16, 2025. Time, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Location and venue. Venue name, Chocolate Hills Complex. Address, Barangay La Paz, Carmen, Bohol. Event program, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Guest arrival and collecting invitation card. 9 to 9:30 a.m. Entrance of family and friends. 9:30 to 10. Entrance of David and Josie. 10 to 11 a.m. renewal of vows. 11 to 30 a.m. message of the couple about their life and as a married. 11:30 to a.m. to 1 p.m. lunch. 1 to 30 p.m. host present. 1:30 to 2 p.m. audiovisual presentation or slideshow of memories. 2 to 3 p.m. tribute message from family and friends. 3 to 3:30 p.m. couple slow dance with family and friends. 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. dance presentation of granddaughter and grandson. Sing presentation of daughter and son. 4:30 to 5 p.m. picture taking and close remarks. Budget estimated detailed category venue 100,000, food and beverage 395,000, logistic and transportation 130,000, host 10,000, photographer and videographer 30,000, price 15,000, souvenir 30,000, card invitation 5,000, miscellaneous contingency 20,000, talent fee 10,000, estimated grand total 745,000. Marketing and promotion to spread awareness about the golden wedding anniversary, invite family and loved ones, and encourage community celebration of a long-standing relationship as a symbol of enduring love. Communication objectives, inform and invite immediate extend family friends, highlight the couple's inspiring journey of love and commitment. Third, generate excitement and anticipation through storytelling. Second, key message, celebrate 50 years of love with David and Josie. Second, golden ties, a legacy of commitment and joy. Join us in honor a lifetime of love, laughter, and family. Promotion channel and strategies, personal invitation, social media, family chat groups, photo teaser, save the date. Printed materials, personalized invitation card. Sponsor opportunities, potential sponsor, family or friends, community-based groups or cooperatives, local politician or barangay official. Conclusion, the golden wedding anniversary of David and Josie is once in a lifetime celebration of unwavering love, loyalty, and family. It stands as a living testament to the power of partnership and perseverance. Through this event, we aim to honor the couple journey, reflect on the years filled with memories, and inspire younger generation. With thoughtful planning, heartfelt involvement, and community support, the celebration promises to be more than a party. It will be a beautiful legacy event filled with meaning, gratitude, and golden joy. That's all. Thank you.